In this video, I would like to familiarize you with symbol management. It can happen that you want to tidy up libraries after years of use. Or you may have accidentally saved a symbol in the wrong library. To ensure simple sorting of libraries and symbols, WSCAD provides us with the symbol management function. In the menu tools Master Data Symbol Manager, or with the command Shift F12, we call up the Symbol Manager. In the Symbol Manager, you can compare directories and individual libraries with each other. You can compare directories and their contents here. You can compare libraries based on their file names and their creation date. Or you can move libraries from different directories to another directory. In the lower area, we can also compare individual symbols. Here too, there is the option of moving symbols from one library to another. The Symbol Manager is a simple tool with which libraries, their directories, and individual symbols can be managed well.